Super Typhoon, Pepito, inaasahang magla-landfall sa Catanduanes mamayang gabi. Signal, number 1, signal number 2, signal number 3, signal number 4, signal number 5 nakataas na sa ilang bahagi ng Bicol Region, Eastern Visayas at Luzon. Super Typhoon Pepito huling namataan sa layong 185 km east of Catarman, Northern Samar or 250 km east of Huban, Sorsogon. Taglay nito lakas ng hangin aabot sa 185 km per hour at pabugsong 230 km per hour. Kumilos naman ito pa west-northwestward sa bilis na 25 km per hour. Ang Super Typhoon Pepito ay inaasahang magla-landfall ngayong gabi o bukas ng madaling araw sa Catanduanes. Ngunit may posibilidad din na tumama sa Camarines Sur, Albay, Quezon o Aurora depende sa galaw ng bagyo. Tropical Cyclone Wind Signal number 5. Catanduanes. Kasalukuyan na wala ng supply ng kuryente doon. Tropical Cyclone Wind Signal 4. Northeastern portion of Camarines Sur. Tropical Cyclone Wind Signal number 3. Eastern portion of Camarines Norte. Northern and southeastern portion of Camarines Sur. Eastern portion of Albay. Northeastern portion of Sorsogon. Eastern portion of Northern Samar. Tropical Cyclone Wind Signal number 2. Metro Manila, Rizal, Cavite, Bataan, Zambales, Quezon Province, southeastern portion of Isabela, Aurora, Quezon, the eastern portion of Rizal, Laguna, the rest of Camarines Norte, rest of Camarines Sur, rest of Albay, the rest of Sorsogon, Berries Island, and Ticao Island, central portion of eastern Samar, northern portion of Samar, rest of northern Samar. Tropical Cyclone Wind Signal number 1. Mainland Cagayan, the rest of Isabela, Quirino, Nueva Vizcaya, Apayao, Kalinga, Abra, Mountain Province, Ifugao, Benguet, Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, La Union, Pangasinan, Nueva Ecija, Bulacan, Tarlac, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Metro Manila, the rest of Rizal, Cavite, Batangas, Marinduque, northern portion of Oriental Mindoro, Romblon, and the rest of Masbate, the rest of eastern Samar, the rest of Samar, Biliran, the northern and central portions of Leyte, northeastern portion of southern Leyte, the northernmost portion of Cebu, northernmost portion of Iloilo, Carles. Pagkatapos ng landfall, inaasahan itong dumaan sa mga lalawigan ng Bicol Region, Quezon, Aurora, Nueva Ecija, Pangasinan, at La Union, bago lumabas ng Philippine Area of Responsibility, PAR, sa Lunes, 18 ng Nobyembre. Ang bagyo ay malapit ng umabot sa super typhoon strength at maaaring magkaroon ng pansamantalang paghinadulot ng eyewall replacement, ngunit may posibilidad itong muling lalakas bago maglandfall. Maaaring makaranas ang mga apektadong lugar ng malalakas na ulan, hangin, at storm surge, kaya't mahalagang manatiling updated sa mga abiso, maghanda para sa posibleng evacuation, at siguraduhing ligtas ang mga ari-arian.